All right, let's dive right into it. Have you ever wondered how debeaking chickens can benefit your flock? Today, we're going to explore the ultimate guide to debeaking your chickens in 2024, introducing the concept of debeaking and its crucial role in chicken farming. Debeaking, also known as beak trimming, is a common practice in poultry management to prevent aggressive behavior and injuries among the flock. Now, let's address the problem at hand. Without debeaking, chickens can exhibit harmful behaviors like cannibalism and feather pecking. These issues not only affect the bird's welfare, but also impact the overall health of the flock. Moving on to the exploration phase, there are various methods of debeaking available, including hot blade and infrared beak trimming. Each technique has its own set of advantages and considerations depending on the size and age of the chickens. Here comes the climax, highlighting the benefits of debeaking, such as reduced injuries and improved flock behavior. By implementing proper debeaking practices, you can create a safer and more harmonious environment for your chickens to thrive. In conclusion, let's recap the key points about debeaking. It is a preventive measure that promotes chicken welfare by minimizing aggression and injuries within the flock. Remember, a well-maintained beak can lead to a happier and healthier group of chickens. Lastly, I encourage you to share your experiences with debeaking in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more poultry care tips and stay tuned for our next video on chicken farming essentials. Happy farming!